Bird nest bricks. The scientists co-created a 3D printed block from domestic plastic garbage in 2019. The Bayaweaver bird's nest inspired the brick. Its intricately woven dwellings make this lovely yellow grassland inhabitant famous. The male bird weaves grass stems and palm fronds into a hat-like nest using his claws and mouth. A longer tunnel-like entrance leads to a larger area for the eggs. While incubating, the nest's weave shields the eggs from wind, rain, and heat. The scientists tried making a brick similarly. Instead of plant fibers, scientists wanted to weave synthetic yarn. Scientists made the yarn by shredding plastic water bottles. Please like, subscribe and share the video.